They say money doesn't buy happiness, but it does buy options. And let's be honest, in a world built on transactions, options matter more than anything. Most people never get those options, not because they're lazy, not because they don't dream big, but because they were trained wrong, programmed to play a money game they don't even understand. We're told to go to school, get a job, save what's left, and hope everything works out. But here's the thing. That system was designed when one income could feed a family of 5. Today, that same plan barely pays rent. The truth? The system isn't broken. It's working exactly as intended. Just not for you. When you put your money in a savings account, your bank doesn't hold it. It multiplies it for them. They loan it, invest it, and make profit, while you get 1% interest and a friendly thank you for trusting them. You're not getting robbed. You're just playing the wrong game. The rich don't save money. They move it. They use it like a soldier. Send it out to work. Bring back more soldiers. But before you even talk about investing, there's something more powerful you need to understand. Skills create cash flow. You can't multiply what you don't first create. That's why the smartest people in 2025 aren't chasing jobs. They're chasing skills that print money. Copywriting, video editing, freelancing, e-commerce, automation, AI tools. These aren't just buzzwords. They're digital assets. Learn one, master it, and you've just given yourself a license to print income. Let's break it down. If you can write words that sell, you'll never go broke. If you can edit videos that grab attention, creators will pay you monthly. If you can use AI to automate small business tasks, you'll build systems that others depend on. That's how real money moves today. Not through luck, but leverage. And once you build a skill that makes you money, then you start building systems that make you free. That's where investing comes in. Not as a get-rich-quick move, but as a way to turn your earned income into passive income. Here's what I mean. When you earn $100, don't just save it and smile. Split it up like this. 40% into learning and upgrading your skills. 30% into tools, ads, or small systems that multiply your earnings. 1% for savings or emergency fund. 10% into something that grows. Maybe stocks, maybe crypto, maybe small reinvestments. This simple breakdown will teach you something schools never do: how to make your money move. Because here's a fact: the average millionaire has 7 streams of income, but they all started with one skill. So stop waiting for the perfect opportunity. The best opportunity is the one you create with what you already know. Money doesn't respect time, it respects movement. The faster you act, the faster you learn. And the faster you learn, the sooner your money starts working harder than you ever could. So if you're watching this, remember, you don't need to be rich to start. You just need to stop standing still.